Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we will learn about JavaScript template literal. Template literals, also known as template strings, are a feature introduced in ECMAScript 6 for string interpolation and multiline strings in JavaScript. They provide a more convenient and readable way to work with strings that include variables or expressions. In traditional JavaScript, you might concatenate strings and variables using the plus operator or string concatenation functions. Template literals simplify this process by allowing you to embed expressions directly into a string using the $ syntax. Let's see the practical example. I have opened my code editor. In script tag, I write JavaScript code. First, I create one variable. Next, I write console.log method. In this first, I print value using traditional JavaScript method. Next, open your browser and inspect the page, then select console. Here, you can see I get a value hello honey. Now, I print this message using template literal. First, I comment this line and write another console.log method. In this I use a backtick, because backtick is symbol for denoting template literal. For using variable in template literal, we can use $, then brackets, and in this bracket I pass our variable name. In console you can see I get a message hello honey properly. Now, I remove this code and see how we can use template literal for string. First, I create variable and in this I store a string. Here I use a double quote sign. In this quote I use a double quote and in this I write quote. So, now I want to display this message same as we can write in a double quote. But it gives us an error because we cannot use a double quote inside the double quote. So, I use console.log method and in this I pass str1 variable. Now, I open my browser. So, you can see it gives us a syntax error. For removing this error we can use escape character before and after the quote word. Now, you can see I get same string in console, which we want. Instead of using escape character we can simply using template literal to achieve this. So, I remove the string and write a backtick here, and in this again I write same string. In this time I don't use escape character. So, you can see I get the same result in easy way, with the help of template literal. With the help of template literal, we can also write multiple line in easy way. In console you can see I get a result properly. Next, I use a template literal with an expression. I write console.log method and in this I write backtick. So, first I create another variable with name result and in this I store the sum of two integer value. In console.log method I use ternary operator. Here, I pass the result variable and match the condition. In console you can see I get an expression as output. So, here we can write all the expression code in $brackets like this. Now, it's properly work. Here, you can see I get an output very high. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.